Hi there, my name is Lindsay and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do a smoky eyeshadow. As you can see, my makeup is already all done for the day, so all that I have to apply is just the eyeshadow and some mascara. Let me show you how I do a smoky eye. First of all, I'm going to put some concealer on my eyelids, and this just helps that your eyeshadow applies on more easier, and it also helps that your eyeshadow just lasts a lot longer during the day. So I'm going to put a little bit on this eyelid and then a little bit on this eyelid. Okay, like that. Next I'm going to use some powder, and this just sets your concealer, and it will also help that your eyelids don't tend to get oily during the day, and it will also help that your eyeshadow will just last a lot longer. So I'm just going to put a little bit of setting powder on that eyelid, and then a little bit on that eyelid as well. There we go. Next I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow. First I'm going to use a very nice light goldish shade, and I'm going to apply it here, and I will just blend it in, and this will be my transition shade. Just going to put some more on. And this I'm just going to blend until it's all blended in nicely. And then I'm going to do the same on my other eyelid as well. And I'm going to add some more. Okay, the next shade I'm going to use is more of a darker shade, and this shade I'm going to use to create the smoky eye. And I'm going to start off here and lightly blend it in, and then blend it to the middle of my bottom eyelash, like that. Sorry, not my bottom eyelash, my eyelid. And then I'm just going to blend in a circular motion. And then I'm going to bring it out a bit. And then I'm going to start from the corner and bring it to the middle, like that. And that is how I do the smoky eye. I'm just going to blend it in a little bit more until it's all nicely blended. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to do the same on this eyelid as well. I start from the corner, and then in a circular motion, I bring it to the middle of my eyelid. And then I just blend. And then I'm going to apply it to my eyelid on top here. Then blend it in some more. And then I'm going to do the same on this eyelid as well. And just bring it in a bit more here as well. And then I usually just wipe the corners just to make this edge look a bit more sharper. Like that. And then you can just have a look at your eyeshadow. Then you can just make sure everything is blended in. I'm just going to blend in a little bit more here. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more on this eyelid as well. Starting from the outer corner and then bringing it in to the middle of my eyelid. And then moving the brush across my eyelid as well, but just above the eyelid. Okay, and when that is done, I'm going to take a lighter shade, and this is actually going to be my highlighting shade as well, and I'm going to place it in the inner corner here of my eyelid. And I usually use my finger. I find that I get more products, and then I just like the look as well that it gives. And then I'm going to put it on my inner corner of my eyelid, like that. And then I just tap with my finger until it's all blended in. Then I'm going to do the same on this eyelid as well. And then you can put as much eyeshadow on as you would like. I usually like to build it up because I really like the nice sparkly look here and then the smoky eye there. I'm just going to add a little bit more here. Like that. And then I'm just going to wipe the corners here where the eyeshadow messed a bit. Like that. And then you can always go back just to blend in more, which I usually do. And then I'm just going to blend it in a little bit more here, just to make these edges a bit more sharper. Like that. And then I'm going to do this one as well. Okay, so that is how my smoky eyeshadow will look. And then I'm going to use another brush to put some more highlighter, and this will be on my brow bone, which I'm going to put here. And I'm using the same shade which I used on the inner corner. And this I'm just going to blend in as well, like that. Then I'm going to put some more on this brow bone as well. And I start from the corner here and then I bring it out. I really like to put on quite a bit. I really like the glowy look it gives in your brow bone. And then I'm just going to wipe off because I would like this point to stay nice and sharp there, like that. There we go. And then I'm just going to put a little bit more in here as well. Like that. And that is how I do my smoky eyeshadow look. I'm also going to put some of the highlighting shade on the bottom of underneath my bottom eyelashes, But I'm first going to use the darker shade. And then I'm going to lightly blend it in under my bottom eyelashes. And then I'm going to do the same under these eyelashes as well. And you will see I don't bring it right to this corner. I only blend with the dark shade till the middle of my eye. I usually work to where my pupil is, so I would draw the line up to here, like that. And I do the same on this eye as well. And then I'm going to use the highlighting shade, and I'm going to put it on my inner corners by my tear ducts. And this just opens your eye and gives that lovely glowing look. I'm going to put some more on this side as well. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. And I'm really happy with how my eyeshadow came as well. As you can see, I have the dark shade here, the glowing highlights are there on these two corners, and then on the outside, the darker shade, and then there's the lighter shade. The transition shade was in the middle, and then above to here is the Smoky Eye, the darker shade. And I'm just going to put a little bit more on this side. Just want to blend it in a little bit more. There we go. Now I'm quite happy with that. I always like to just go over with my eyeshadow and blend it in until I'm really, really happy with the look. I think I am a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to doing my makeup, and I always like to make it look perfect, or as perfect as I can make it. I'm just going to put a little bit more here. Okay, so I'm happy with that. And next I'm going to do is put on my mascara and then just fill in my eyebrows a little bit more. And then my look is finished for the day. And I'm just going to wipe here. You can actually use sellotape as well and stick it on the sides. And that will also just help to make this edge look a bit more sharper. But I'm just going to wipe it with my fingers like that. And then I'm going to use some mascara just to make my eyes stand out a bit more and make my eyelashes look a bit nice and long as well. I'm just going to add a little bit more mascara. Then to my bottom eyelashes as well. There we go, like that. And then I'm going to just give my face a little powder because sometimes the eyeshadow does mess under your eyes. So I'm just going to wipe it with some powder like that. There we go. And then I see when I put some mascara on, my mascara is smudged there. But all that we do is just put some concealer there. And then I'm just going to tap it in with my finger and blend it in. And there we go. It's all fixed. And then I'm just going to powder as well. And then I'm just going to fill my eyebrows a little bit more. I done my eyebrows earlier on, but I didn't really do it perfect. I just did it very light, but now I'm going to finish it off. And just make them stand out a little bit more. Like that. And then lastly, I'm going to just put my setting spray on, and this will just make that my makeup last the whole day. Give it a good shake and then spray. And that is my makeup for the day, my nude lipstick and my smoky eye. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe to my channel, and I will be uploading every week at least one video. So if you like my videos, please subscribe, and see you again. Have a lovely day. Bye. Mwah.